How to download a song from SunoAI. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download a song from SunoAI. SunoAI offers a unique way to create and listen to music, and I'll guide you through the download process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your SunoAI website. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, so once you're logged in, you can start exploring the available songs. Use the search bar to find the song you want to download. You can search by title, artist, or genre. So once you find the song, click on it to open the songs page. On the song page, look for the download button or link. Depending on the song, you might see options for different formats or quality levels. Click on your preferred option. If the song is available for download, the file will start downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device's downloads folder to find the song file, and you can now play it on your favorite media player or add it to your music library. And that's it, you've successfully downloaded the song from SunoAI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Enjoy your music, and I'll see you in the next video.